Bam! What's up guys? This is another video. So guys, this is a toy musical rifle. Okay, this is properly pink color. See, pink and sky blue color toy rifle. Okay guys, and it's how it's work. First of all, it's need some red and white color battery. Okay guys.
Wow.
Then extend. So how it's work? This is not the proper shotgun. Sorry, this is not the proper toy rifle. Okay guys, it's need this extended. Okay guys, I assemble it. So guys, this is the proper toy musical rifle. Okay guys.
Oh yeah.
Then guys, I show you some toy bullet. This is a toy bullet. This is properly yellow color. See guys, fully yellow color packet, bullet packet. Okay guys. Then guys, I can show you this this pistol. This is a toy pistol. Okay guys, see, this is bullet. I employed bullet there. Okay guys, and this is the muzzle, bezel area, and trigger. See guys, see, and how it's work.
Wow.
Turn and shoot. Wow. Guys, another time. Turn and shoot. So guys, this is the toy pistol. Then guys, I show you this. This toy single rifle, bullet rifle. Okay. This is a rifle. See this?
Oh yeah.
Turn and shoot. Another time. Turn and shoot. Okay, this is properly black and red color combination toy rifle. Okay guys, it have extended red color extended. Okay guys. So guys, this is the proper toy rifle. Okay guys, see, looks like real gun. Okay guys, and turn, oops, and shoot. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye always.